Anybody standing in trial or coming to try me is a terrorist. That's what their law says.
Section what, me?
As simple as that. Section 2, subsection 3F of Terrorism Prevention and Prohibition Act.
By keeping the leader of the struggle perpetually in prison, you don't solve the problem. You can only solve the problem if you discuss the problem.
How do you cage Nnamdi Kanu? In fact, I want to call that Nnamdi Kanu should be released. A freedom fight agitator who said that, look, he wants liberation for his people. Why are you incarcerating him?
As the Nnamdi Kanu saga unfolds, we begin to realize that the federal government may have beaten more than they can chew. It is evident, as we have seen it, that Nnamdi Kanu may not be as guilty as the federal government has presented. And somehow, the only ethnic group in Nigeria that seems to be bothered is the North. The North seems to be threatened by Nnamdi Kanu, and I just don't know why. Nnamdi Kanu, who was abducted from Kenya 3 years ago, has been denied bail and has been in court. His lawyers have argued that he should be released and there is no jurisdiction that Nigeria can try him. Nnamdi Kanu was seen defending himself at court.
All the conditions laid down in the state. At this stage, I am of the opinion that you may or take a stand on the bail application without first hearing and determining the issue that is glaring in the face, which is the absence of the defendant from the court since the 25th of April 2017 until it was produced on the 29th of June. My lord, the second was they said that he is not done. This demonstrates my house to kill me. That's what Supreme Court said. This is in your own court, my lord. So I cannot understand, my lord, why will be conducted contrary to the constitution of Nigeria that said I must have free and unfettered access to my counsel.
Nnamdi Kanu can be seen raising his voice at court, arguing his case and stating and quoting the Constitution of Nigeria on how he's not supposed to be in court, and thrashing out his rights. And we're wondering why he's doing that since he has legal reps. But reports have it that DSS, I think so, have refused that his legal team represent him in court. Nnamdi Kanu, who has been accused of treason, denied bail, abducted from Kenya, is a freedom fighter. So far, we do not understand the intentions of the federal government, but it is clear now that everyone seems to have a clearer conception of what's going on. We look forward to the unfoldings and hope the federal government does well by its case.